بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 9. This is page 9 in your science book. Hurry up, open it. Students, this is unit 2. This is our next unit, unit 2, and the name of unit 2 is the senses. The senses. Very good. Repeat with me. The senses. Okay, students, what we will study in this unit? We will study about 5 different senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, students, very good. Repeat after me. We will study about 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Let's start reading with me. We have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. We have 5 senses. How many senses do we have, students? We have 5 senses. Do you know, students, that we use different parts of our body to sense the world around us? Okay, students, so we have 5 senses, and the name of these 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. What is this? Touch. Very good. Okay, students, how do we use the senses? The question is, students, how do we use the senses? Repeat with me. How do we use the senses? हम इन सेंसेस को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? Okay, students, now today we will read our first sense, which is sight. Sight. What is this? Sight. Repeat with me. Sight. Very good. Okay, students. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. We can see how big or how far away something is. We can see how big or how far away something is. We can see colors and shapes. We can see colors and shapes. We can see colors and shapes. We see more clearly when things are in bright light rather than in dim light. Okay students, I am reading again. Okay, please concentrate here. We see with our eyes. We can see how big or how far away something is. We can see colors and shapes. We see more clearly when things are in bright light rather than in dim light. Okay students, what is written here? First of all, the question is, how do we use senses? हम senses को कैसे use करते हैं? And the first sense we are discussing today is sight. Sight. We see with our eyes. As we all know that students, we see with the help of our eyes. Okay students, हम eyes से देखते हैं. We can see how big or how far away something is. We can see, हम देख सकते हैं how big और how far away, कि कोई चीज़ कितनी बड़ी है या कोई चीज़ हमसे कितनी दूर है. We can see with the help of our eyes. We can see colors and shapes. With the help of our eyes, we can see different colors and different shapes. Okay students, we can see the color of sky and we can also see the colors of different vegetables and fruits. Okay students, and this is all because of our eyes. And we can see different shapes, like we can tell that sun is round, sun is in circle, and what is the shape of stars. We can also tell that what is the shape of a ball, what is the shape of a pencil. So this all happens when we see with our eyes. जब हम अपनी eyes से देख सकते हैं तो हम different colors को and different shapes को देख सकते हैं. We can see more clearly when things are in bright light rather than in dim light. Students, we see more clearly. हम बहुत clearly देख सकते हैं, easily देख सकते हैं when things are in bright light. Whenever we are looking at the things in bright lights, we can see more clearly. Okay, when there is bright light or in the daylight, we can see things more clearly. दिन में हम ज़्यादा आसानी से चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं rather than in dim light. Okay students, when there is dim light, जब light हल्की होती है, we cannot see properly in that light. Okay students, it is written that हम clearly देख सकते हैं in the bright light or in the daylight rather than in dim light. Okay students, what this boy is doing? What this boy is doing students? This boy is watching an insect on a leaf with the help of his eyes. He is using sense of sight. And what he is doing? He is watching this insect with the help of his eyes. Okay students, so he is using sense of sight. Sense of sight, ये देख रहा है with the help of his eyes. अपनी eyes की help से ये देख रहा है इस insect को, and he is using sense of sight. Okay students, now is it clear for you that whenever we are using sense of sight, we are using our eyes. हम अपनी eyes की help से sense of sight को use करते हैं. Okay students, very good. So we will repeat it here that we see with the help of our eyes. Okay students, and this is the sense. What is the name of this sense? The name of this sense is sight. जब हम देखते हैं तो हम sight की sense use करते हैं. Okay, and we see with the help of our eyes. Very good. Now it's your homework time students. Okay students, now this is your homework and what you have to do, you have to read paragraph cite on page 9. This is your homework. You have to read paragraph cite on page 9. Okay students, this is cite. This is on page 9 and you have to read this paragraph. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home students, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.